Hello guys, my name is Chan Kumar and I am the teacher for biology from PBC group. Guys, today's class is about your new chapter which is reproductive health. But before it's doing, I should go to yesterday test. In the case of test, any person, any students not attempt test, so I am very angry and feeling so sad about your test, because any students not attempt and test which are given in last 2 days before Eid. So this is very bad thing for your future and your class and your knowledge. So okay, don't worry. Now come to the point, which is reproductive health. Means this is the last chapter of the first unit, name is reproductive health. The means of reproductive health is the total well-being in all aspects. Total well-being मतलब very fit for everybody, disease free. So total well-being in all aspects of reproduction. All aspects of reproduction. According to WHO means World Health Organization, which is the largest health organization of our planet, or we can say on Earth. So, according to WHO, total well-being in all aspects of reproduction. Clear? An aspect of reproduction is known as reproductive health, and these aspects are physical, emotional, social and behavior. Means a good, or we can say well-being person in the reproduction is good in physically working, good in emotionally, good in social and good in behavior. अगर मैं कहूँ आपसे थोड़ा समझाने के लिए बता रहा हूँ, रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ से स्वस्थ आदमी हम किसको कह सकते हैं? जो फिजिकली ठीक ठाक हो, जो इमोशनली दिमाग से ठीक ठाक हो, जो सोशल समाज में ठीक ठाक हो, और जो बिहेवियर अपने व्यवहार में ठीक ठाक हो, उसे हम कहते हैं कि ये अकॉर्डिंग टू WHO ये ऑल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन इज फिट एंड फोर. नाउ दीज आर 2 days which are very important in your chapter. First one is 7th April, which is celebrated as World Health Day. Okay, and second one is 11th July, which is celebrated as a World Population Day. Now come to the next point, reproductive health studies. Our government or any government makes some studies to awareness, to expel the awareness in human population to avoid the bad consequences of the population. So population is the directly interconnected to the reproductive health. Okay, so this is reproductive health studies which are known as in India family planning, which are launched in 1951, and one word is very famous in this planning, family planning. This is हम दो हमारे दो, and then reproductive and child health care program, reproductive child health, which are known as short form RCH, which are launched in 1997, and nowadays this is known as family welfare scheme. Okay, so some objects of the family welfare scheme, or we can say objects of the RCH are, number one is awareness of reproduction aspects. Means to provide the all knowledge about the reproduction aspects. What is the copulation, what is the best population timing, and age of reproduction, or we can say age of marriage. These all aspects are expelled in the human population. Now second one is sex education. Sex education is very important aspects of reproduction, because this is very essential for every teenage. because this field is, or we can say teenagers is very sensitive to aspects of reproduction, so sex education should be must in every institutions and every college for better well-being. Now third one is pregnancy and childcare awareness. Pregnancy and child care awareness is very important topic in all we can say in the population explosion, because pregnancy, conceiving and child care to deploy, or we can say to decrease the mortality rate in India. So pregnancy, conceive karna और child care awareness, how can we make nutritious food for child, and some are basic schemes which are run by central or state governments which are very useful in child health or in pregnancy. So number fourth is vaccination. Vaccination is also important aspect of the population, because vaccination is mostly used for fatal disease, means diphtheria, BCG, tetanus, also COVID. This is known as vaccination, because only one important thing to protection for these type of diseases. So vaccination is very important. Now number 5 is awareness about contraceptive methods. Actually, in some cases, female or we can say mother do not like or do not want to any new child to birth, but in the cases unawareness about contraceptive methods, he cannot achieve, or we can say he are helpless. She are helpless. ठीक है. और next is female embryo abortion. Number 6 is female embryo abortion, or we can say easily amniocentesis. Amniocentesis means in this method the doctors illegally identify the embryo sex, and in this case female or we can say girl child ratio is very less. Clear? By the method of amniocentesis, or we can say ultrasonography, doctors illegally identify the girl child sex, and which promotes the murder of female embryo, or we can say which can promote the easily female embryo abortion. So these are some studies which are used by the government to make a very good social well-being, or we can say very good reproductive health. After this, we are going to this topic. This is human population explosion. Explosion means होता है like बॉम्ब का एक्सपेल हो जाना, फैल जाना. मतलब यहाँ पे एक्सपेल किसका हो रहा है? पॉपुलेशन का एक्सप्लोजन हो रहा है. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि पॉपुलेशन इज ट्रिमेंडसली हाईली इंक्रीज इन रेट्स. मतलब मैं कहूँ the tremendously increase in size and growth rate of the population is called human population explosion. तो अगर मैं बात करूं वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन की, फिलहाल मैं कंसिडर इंडिया को नहीं कर रहा हूं, फिलहाल हम कंसिडर कर रहे हैं पूरे वर्ल्ड को कंसिडर कर चल रहे हैं. तो बिफोर 8000 years ago, 8000 साल पहले, the whole world population is about approx 50 lakhs, only 50 lakhs before 8000 years ago. But in the year of 1 means 0001 means at the time of birth of Lord Isu, then the world population about is 25 crores only. In the year of 1600, world population is 50 crores, and in the year of 1800, the world population goes to the 100 crores. Notice here one thing: the 50 crores to achieve the 25 crores to achieve the 50 crores of whole world population takes the 16 years. How many years? 16 years. but in the next only 1600 years, 1 to 1600 years. So to achieve the 25 from 25 crores to 50 crores, time is consumed 1600 years. But in the next case, to achieve the 100 crores of the population of world, this only takes time is 200 years. So this is very highly rate, very highly reproduction rate. Now in the year of 1990, population becomes 500 crores. Now in the year of 2000, which are millennium year, the population goes in 640 crores. And nowadays 2021 current year, and the population goes to 780 crores of whole world. So this 780 crores population is also effect which are COVID. Many mortality data are high in the COVID, but also COVID एस्पेक्ट्स के अकॉर्डिंग ही हमारी पॉपुलेशन जो है इंक्रीज हुई है कोविड के बाद भी. अगर कोविड नहीं होता देन इट्स कैन बी 800+ करोड़. ठीक है, मच मोर इतना नहीं होती, कुछ और हो सकता था, लेकिन बढ़ती इससे ज़्यादा. ठीक है, तो ये क्या है, दिस इज नोन एज पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन. Clear guys? The tremendous highly rate, or we can the tremendous increase in size and growth rate of population is known as human population explosion. यहाँ पे नोटिस किया है कि 1 ईयर से 1600 साल में कितनी बढ़ी, 25 करोड़ से 50 करोड़ होने में सिर्फ आपको 200 साल लगे. ठीक है, तो ये चीज आप नोट करेंगे यहाँ पे. बाकी नॉट सो इम्पोर्टेंट, बट दिस इज द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. We can say this is the basis of the human population explosion. And the next class we are going to discuss about Indian human population explosion. Clear? So, okay.